sick.
Yeah. So I always say when I get in this thing, and I know I got that red key, I say to myself, 0 to prison time in no time.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Or I'll give you the full effects of the 707 horsepower. Ready? So I can change my programs, what my horsepower modes. Hit that SRT button. Right now we're at 500 horsepower. And it's got the eco mode is on too, so like when we're cruising down the highway, it'll drop down to 4 cylinders and get better gas mileage.
Seriously?
Yeah, just like my.
What's it get with when it does that?
Like 22 miles a gallon.
That's not bad.
But it gets like 13 miles a gallon. Otherwise, driving normal, and if I start, but you know, when I get on it a lot or something, it decreases. So, if I want to go to 707 horsepower, I hit sport mode, and it'll take a few seconds, and then it'll go to that program 700 plus.
Turns red.
And then track mode is a step up in performance.
That's like the highest one.
Yeah. And then it changes everything again. And that's like for, you know, when you're on a track.
Yeah.
But I've done that a few times and it just, you can't even keep it straight.
Seriously.
So it's not even worth it until I get bigger, different wheels and drag radials and see if this feels any different than Daytona.
Holy shit.
I'm not gonna get on it too hard. This is a pretty bumpy road.
This thing does not mess around.
We'll when we get up around the lake there, heading toward that way, that's a smoother road.
That was, yeah, that's a lot different.
Did you hear that supercharger?
Yeah, I felt
whining?
Yeah, we were like going, and I could like feel you slowly getting on it.
Yeah.
And then just boom, we just went. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, it's a lot. The supercharger on this sounds a lot different than the one on the Daytona.
Does it? I don't really remember what that.
Because this one's what they call a Whipple. It's on top of the motor.
Okay.
And then the one on my Daytona's it's called the centrifugal. So it's off to the side in front of the motor. But it's a lot louder and more obnoxious sounding. And this one just kind of nice and smooth. It's got that little whistle.
Yeah.
It's not a little, but it's a pretty big whistle.
When we were going, yeah. Now that you say it, I heard it, but like
you'll
right
hear
now,
it.
you don't hear it.
Yeah. No, we were just cruising. But when you get on the throttle, you can really hear it start sucking that air.
Oh yeah, I heard it and I felt it.
Paddle shifters.
I bet it blows this 40-degree weather.
We'll test out the paddle shifters here. We'll test out the paddle shifters here. Pretty insane, huh?
Okay, how fast were it going when they started to spin?
I wasn't paying attention. I was kind of watching the RPMs. But right away, though, when I put it in track mode, I'm still spinning the tires at 80 miles an hour in the track mode.
That's crazy.
Yeah. You want to have the whole road to yourself when you get on this thing, because
when it starts going wild like that?
yeah.
Are you like, oh shit, when it does that? I mean, you probably got
A little
used to
bit,
it.
but I'm not like, if you're freaked out and scared, you probably shouldn't be driving one of these. I mean, you gotta. I mean, that Daytona, driving the Daytona,
Yeah.
kind of helped, because that's around 500 horsepower, but still, this is just, when you're doing 700 horsepower, not even comparison.
Oh, no.
It's not even a comparison. But
Yeah. That was fast, but this is just...
this thing, if you don't know what you're doing, this car will get away from you in a hurry.
Oh, yeah.
Like a hell.